allenpallen, use frost breath. Dog! I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold doesn't bother me anyway. Who am I freaking kidding? I am a summer baby and I do not like the colds. Cancer all the way! Alrighty friends, in today's video we are going to be whipping up a little winter magic. That's right friends, we're going to be making our own artificial snow. I have actually never tried this before. I've seen it all over YouTube, all over TikTok, not even just this year, but probably the last 10 years of my life. And it's due time, you guys. It is due time I try the snow. I've seen numerous recipes on how to create your own snow. Some of them were really simple. Baking soda and shave cream. I've seen like baking soda, conditioner. I've also seen weird 3, 5, 8 part mixtures that honestly sound too complicated for me. So in today's video, we're going to try the baking soda shave cream method. The nice thing about this is if you do live in an area where they don't have snow, that's definitely not the case for me because there's literally snow outside as we speak. But it's great for that. It's great for if you don't like the cold, you can stay inside and play with it. It's cool because you can save it for later. You don't have to worry if it melts. Unlike natural snow, you don't have to worry if your dog pees or poops in it. All good stuff. So I'm really excited to try this today. Honestly, I know that this is safe to eat. But, oh god. Tell me why I never knew baking soda was salty. Why you built like, oh god, this is disgusting. Why do you put this in baked goods? We're gonna add some baking soda into the pot. I feel like I would love to use this as my thumbnail, but it looks highly inappropriate. We're not about that life on this channel. Not anymore. I feel like I'm in Michigan. Yeah. Put the powder in the pot, baby. I don't even know how much you're supposed to use. Does this look like enough? I didn't realize sold baking soda in boxes this large, to be honest. Now that our forbidden powder is in the pot, oh, my mouth literally tastes like butt. We're gonna add in the shave cream. For anybody who's curious why I'm making artificial snow in the middle of the night, it's because I want to build a snowman. And I want to do it with my best friends. Duh. Alright, you guys, let's add the cream. How satisfying. Nice and creamy. Come on. Keep it coming. There you go. It's a good creamy weenie. Oh, there's so much foam. I'm gonna have snow for days. Hot snow day. If any of you guys were ever curious how much shaving cream comes in one of these cans, apparently it's this much. There's enough cream in here to shave like 12 of you. Hello, friend. How are you? I love it when it bubbles. Come on, cream some more. Oh, no. Okay, let's give it a good mixing. It feels so cool. I love it already. Oh, I can taste the powder again. Oh, I need my face mask. crumbly cake. Ooh. Gotta mix it real good. I wonder if we need more powder. College thoughts be like, I wonder if we need more powder. Ooh. As you can see, it's starting to kind of lose some of its frothiness and turn more into that almost, yeah, like a snow texture. So we're gonna try to add a little more powder and see if that does the trick. Oh my god, I feel like a mad scientist. Okay, I don't want to waste it. Oh, it's like a little snow nugget. My girl don't want me 'cause of my dirty laundry. Me too. All right. The more powder, the more better. Ooh, now it's starting to feel really nice. This is literally a 4-pound box of baking soda. If this is not enough, I'm sorry, but I don't know what to tell you. Now that it's as good as it's gonna get, let's dump it onto the table. Alright guys, here is our snow. Honestly, it feels kind of weird. It's strange because it's kind of like that cold, wet feeling without being too wet. It's almost like that sand that never dries out. However, this will definitely dry out. Okay. Thankfully, I don't think you can roll it, but it does appear to be somewhat shapeable. So we're gonna use that to our advantage and try to make a snowman. Nice fat body. Okay. We're gonna level that off a little bit so we have a nice sturdy foundation for our head. Oh wait, we can't do the head yet. We have to put a middle. You can't forget the middle. Every time I imagine a snowman, I think of the one on Mario that is kind of by, I'm talking like old school Mario, like Nintendo 64. It's like that weird, there's like a floating bridge and it just kind of hops, and eventually, no matter what, it'll hop on you because you're probably just as uncoordinated as I am, and eventually you die. We have a slim man. He's on a diet. Maybe this should just be his head. Yep, we're just gonna make a head. You don't get a body. Sorry. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Body missing, body crazy. Okay. Oh no. I'm sorry, friend. You tried. Okay, here's your little winter wonderland. Let's make them look pretty now. For eyes, we can give them these cute little bolts. Ooh. There's one eye. And 2 eyes. Oh, he's so cute. He's like the child I never wanted. Just kidding. Actually, someday I would love to have a kid. A little Allen Jr. running around. It has a nice ring to it, doesn't it? For arms, we can use these forks. How innovative. Ooh. Perfect. Let's give him some hair. We'll use a little tahine for that. Low-key, I bought a box of these when I became obsessed with TikTok and all that Amanda Fargo nonsense. I wanted to try it so bad. It's kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, here's some hair. Ooh, He's so handsome. And last but not least, let's give him a mouth. We're gonna use some food coloring. Oops. There, he's absolutely perfect. A little extra winter magic. Santa would be pleased. Help, I've been shot! Bye-bye. Let's see if it sticks to the wall. Nope. Alrighty, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's little DIY moment. It was pretty silly. I had a good laugh. Would I recommend this to you guys? Yeah, I would, honestly. It was a lot of fun, and as long as you're mindful of what you're doing, I don't think you'll make as big of a mess as I did. But definitely, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Please leave me recommendations for what you guys want to see next. Probably gonna film again tomorrow. Trying to film, honestly, every day this week. Sorry if this was a little boring, but yeah, I had fun. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.